Today, we basically informed the Prime Minister that life in the Western Division have returned to normalcy, whereby basic public utilities have been restored from Rakiraki to Sigatoka. Though we had some roads, damages to bridges and roads, these areas have been taken care of by FRA. We have all the roads now accessible, even though there are roads that needs only four-wheel drives. The good thing is that we have had all the roads accessible by today, which means for school on Monday there is no problem. There should be all school commence on Monday. Now, in terms of evacuations, something good that we have found out during this emergency operation, the high level of resilience of the general public, particularly those who are located in the flood-prone areas in Nadi, Sigatoka, Ba and Tavua. They were able to move away from danger in time. We also recorded there was no casualties, and this type of events comes with criminal activities. Fortunately for this, with the strategies of restriction of movement at 6 p.m., there was no criminal activities that associated with this type of disasters. And I must thank the police for their hard work and their coordination for the whole of the Western Division in controlling the movement of public, getting people safely at home at daylight, and also controlling the movement in the business centers, the Western Division. A report that has been received from the team on the field, all the schools that were used as evacuation centers have been cleared and cleaned and will be ready on Monday for commencement of school. Now, we had one school in Nadi, the Nadi Muslim School, with about 58 people today are still in the school. We have arranged for alternative evacuation center for them to move in to allow for school to commence on Monday. I think the event of last year, the cyclone and the disasters, people have learned a lot. They were able to move out from danger areas at the right time and assisted the emergency operation team in facilitating during that time. So as a result, particularly for business centers, shop owners were able to mobilize their people, move their stock to clear areas, and then when we were expecting for the flood to come in, and we saw the good coordination of the people on the ground. This time around, civil servants came in and did what they were supposed to do, preparing reports, working in shifts, and had coordinated themselves well. Unlike previous disasters were disorganized, but this time around they were well organized, they prepared to work, and I must thank the civil servants for their part. The operation was well coordinated, and today's briefing, you can see the Prime Minister was happy with the briefs that he was given.